In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit your website with Weebly in just 5 minutes. So let's dive right in and make those changes efficient and straightforward. To begin, you'll want to head over to the Weebly website. If you're new to this, Weebly is a fantastic platform that lets you build free websites and online stores with its user-friendly tools. Once you're on the Weebly homepage, look towards the top right corner of the screen and click on the Login button. This will direct you to a new page where you can enter your login credentials. Go ahead and input your email address and password. Be sure to double check your input to avoid any login errors. Once that's all set, click on the Login button to proceed. You're now inside the Weebly dashboard, which means you're one step closer to editing your site. Locate and click on the section labeled Website. This will take you to a new page where you can see an overview of your existing site. To start making changes, click on Edit Site. You'll find this button prominently displayed on your dashboard. Upon entering the editor, you'll want to locate the Build tab, typically found at the top of the page. It's here where you can begin to manipulate various elements of your site. If you're looking to alter the header, simply click on it. You will see options to change the text or switch to a logo if that's what you need. Click on Text to set your desired header text or logo if you aim to upload a graphic. Follow the prompts to choose where you'd like to upload this from. It could be your device or cloud storage. Should you need to modify any site text, just click on the text box you wish to edit. Double-clicking will activate the editing mode, allowing you to make your changes. Weebly is quite intuitive, providing you with formatting options similar to popular word processing software. Next, if you want to adjust any images on your site, click on the respective image. Weebly offers a straightforward image editing tool. Make your necessary adjustments and remember to save when you're satisfied with how it looks. Buttons on your site can also be customized by clicking on them, allowing you to change labels and links with ease. Now, Weebly's drag and drop functionality enables you to effortlessly move elements around the page. Curious about trying new features or layouts? Feel free to explore, but make sure that your design remains cohesive. Once you're happy with your modifications, click Save. Before you wrap things up, remember to click on Edit Pages if multiple areas require tweaks, and Edit Theme if a fresh design is called for. Weebly's App Center is also at your disposal if adding apps can enhance your site's functionality. Tweaking your site settings might be necessary, and this can be managed through the Edit Settings option. All set and ready to reveal your revamped site, the final step is to click Publish. This ensures your changes go live for the world to see. Thank you for sticking around, and happy editing.